If a equals b power 2x, b equals c power 2y, and c equals a power 2z, then prove that xyz equals 1 by 8. So here you can take any one. First you can start from any one of the case. So I'll take here a equals b power 2x. Now a equals, so the value of b is c power 2y whole power 2x, because b is c power 2y. Next, if I'll simplify one step, c power 2 into 2, 4 x y. Now a equals c. The value of c here is a power 2z. a power 2z whole power 4xy. So next step you'll get here, because the reason is c value is a power 2z. Now a equals a power, see here I'm applying the law like a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So if we'll multiply that, 2 times 4, 8 zxy, you can write as 8 xy z, and here you can write 1. So as the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. 1 equals 8 x y z. So 1 equals 8 x y z. Now 1 by 8 equals x y z, or you can write therefore xyz value is 1 by 8.